Spring is in the air, and that means it's time to refresh your home with bright, cheerful, and nature-inspired decor. There's no better way to embrace the season than by adding handmade, personalized touches that reflect the beauty of spring. DIY projects are not only budget-friendly, but they also allow you to infuse your unique style into your home. From creative arrangements to colorful accents and repurposed decor, there are so many ways to bring the magic of spring indoors. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room, brighten up your dining space, or add a touch of seasonal charm to any corner of your home, DIY projects make it easy and enjoyable. In today's video, we'll explore 4 fantastic DIY spring decor ideas that are easy to create and perfect for brightening up your space. So, grab your craft supplies and let's get started. One of the easiest ways to embrace spring in your home is by incorporating bright and cheerful colors. Soft pastels, fresh greens, and floral hues instantly bring warmth and vibrancy to any space. A simple DIY project is refreshing existing decor with these seasonal shades. Using different materials and textures, you can easily transform everyday household items into beautiful spring accents. Try mixing and matching color palettes to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Soft pinks, blues, and yellows give a subtle and fresh touch, while bolder tones like coral, turquoise, and lime green add a playful pop of color. No matter your personal style, embracing spring colors through DIY projects is a fun and effective way to refresh your space. Color placement plays a significant role in creating a balanced and visually appealing decor arrangement. You can introduce bursts of seasonal shades through accent pieces, painted decorative elements, or even repurposed materials that add a lively touch to your space. Layering colors with neutral backgrounds ensures that the vibrant hues stand out without overwhelming the room. When working on DIY projects, consider incorporating gradients or ombre effects for a soft, blended transition between colors. This technique works beautifully in various decor elements, creating a harmonious and elegant look. For a more customized approach, you can create color-themed centerpieces, personalized artwork, or even pattern decor that reflects the season's charm. Play with contrast by mixing light and dark shades within the same color family to add depth and dimension. The beauty of DIY spring decor is that it allows you to experiment with colors in a way that best fits your personal aesthetic. Whether you prefer delicate pastels or bold and bright hues, incorporating seasonal colors through handcrafted decor pieces is a creative and refreshing way to welcome spring into your home. If you love these DIY spring decor ideas, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love crafting. Spring is all about celebrating nature, and incorporating natural elements into your DIY decor can create a serene and organic look. Working with different textures and natural materials can add depth and character to your home. A great DIY idea is repurposing items you might already have to create unique decorative pieces. The beauty of bringing in natural elements is that it enhances the overall freshness of your space while maintaining an effortlessly elegant look. Creating DIY projects inspired by nature allows you to embrace the season without overpowering your home's existing decor. Delicate, handcrafted pieces that showcase organic textures add a soft and rustic charm to any setting. Whether you're looking to incorporate greenery, soft hues, or earthy materials, blending these elements can establish a sense of tranquility. Instead of focusing on a single decorative piece, consider layering multiple elements together to create a well-rounded and inviting display. DIY decor featuring natural components offers countless opportunities for creativity. Arranging elements in unique ways can result in stunning, handcrafted designs that complement the season. Hand-painted details, lightweight textures, and artistic patterns inspired by nature can all play a role in making your spring decor feel fresh and lively. Experimenting with organic shapes and neutral tones enhances the natural aesthetic while keeping the overall look refined and understated. With a bit of imagination, you can transform simple materials into standout pieces that elevate your home's seasonal decor. Handcrafted designs inspired by nature bring a timeless appeal and effortlessly integrate with any interior style. Blending soft, delicate textures with bold, earthy details can create a harmonious balance that reflects the vibrant yet calming essence of spring. Which DIY spring decoration are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Spring is a season of renewal, making it the perfect time to repurpose and upcycle old or unused materials into beautiful DIY decor. Look around your home for items that can be given a second life. With a little creativity, these materials can be transformed into stunning decor pieces. Simple changes can make a big impact, turning overlooked materials into stylish new accents. The beauty of upcycling is that it allows you to personalize and customize your home without having to buy new decor. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to decorate sustainably while keeping your space fresh and stylish for spring. Repurposing materials through DIY projects allows for an endless array of possibilities. Whether you're updating an existing piece or starting from scratch, small modifications can have a major effect on the final design. Instead of discarding old materials, explore ways to reinvent them into beautiful and functional decor elements. Layering textures, adding hand-painted details, or reshaping existing items into something new can transform the simplest of pieces into one-of-a-kind accents. Spring DIY projects focused on upcycling often result in unique, handcrafted items that seamlessly blend creativity and functionality. Whether it's adding decorative accents, refreshing household pieces, or transforming outdated materials into seasonal decor, upcycling is a rewarding way to bring fresh energy into your home. The ability to craft something new while keeping sustainability in mind makes upcycling a valuable part of DIY spring decorating. For more seasonal DIYs and home decor ideas, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Beyond physical decorations, setting the right ambience in your home plays a crucial role in celebrating the season. Simple DIY projects can help set a fresh and inviting mood. Using seasonal scents, soft textures, and light, airy designs can bring a refreshing and relaxing touch to your space. Handmade decorations that enhance the overall aesthetic can make a significant difference. Additionally, incorporating soft lighting or subtle decorative accents can create a warm and cozy feel. Crafting a seasonal ambience through DIY projects helps ensure that your home not only looks like spring but feels like it, too. Seasonal ambience is all about blending colors, textures, and natural elements to create a cohesive and welcoming space. Small handcrafted details can enhance the overall effect, allowing you to enjoy a fresh and revitalizing environment. Thoughtful placement of DIY decor ensures that the spring atmosphere is felt throughout your home. Experimenting with arrangement styles, layering decorative elements, and incorporating subtle variations in design can make a significant impact. The beauty of creating a seasonal ambience lies in the ability to adapt and personalize the setting to reflect your style. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or a more vibrant aesthetic, DIY projects allow you to craft a space that feels authentic to you. Every small touch adds to the overall atmosphere, ensuring that your home remains inviting and seasonally inspired. Bringing DIY decor into your home allows you to capture the essence of the season in a way that is personal, meaningful, and truly unique. Whether it's the delicate pastels of spring blossoms, the rustic charm of natural materials, or the whimsical touch of handcrafted decorations, every element you create is a reflection of your personality and vision. This season is all about embracing creativity, letting go of the old, and welcoming the new with open arms. Every handmade element adds character, transforming ordinary spaces into bright and inviting retreats. There is something deeply satisfying about crafting decor with your own hands, knowing that each piece carries a story, an effort, and an essence of love. It's not just about decorating, it's about infusing your home with warmth, energy, and the joyful spirit of spring. Imagine a centerpiece of freshly picked flowers resting in a repurposed mason jar, the soft glow of fairy lights twinkling inside delicate paper lanterns, or a hand-painted welcome sign that greets guests with cheerful colors and patterns. Each of these small but thoughtful details contributes to an atmosphere that feels alive, uplifting, and deeply personal. Spring decor is not just about visual appeal, it's about the emotions it evokes. A wreath made of dried lavender and wildflowers brings a sense of calm and nostalgia. A set of watercolor paintings featuring birds and blossoms adds a touch of delicate charm. Handmade floral garlands draped along the mantel bring a playful and festive feel. The beauty of DIY decor lies in its ability to tell a story, your story, through carefully chosen colors, textures, and materials.